Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Talha and you are watching Knowledge Hub. Mobile phones are critically essential in our regular life. There is an extensive segment of overall public are nowadays hunting down the minimum costly phone with impressively more component due to the current impel progress in the phones. It transforms into a door into everything that proceed in his life. Everything that you were doing at this point, your PC thought to be convincible using your convince. Today we will list out top 6 most expensive mobile phones in the world.
Do subscribe and press the bell icon for our latest updates.
Number 1. Falcon Supernova iPhone 6 Series Diamond. The coolest phone series in the world. Falcon Supernova contain pink diamond that are very expensive in the world. The phone has 18 carat one big diamond with a just awesome in look. The most expensive mobile phone in the world has quoted its owner as much as $48.5 million. The device is made up of 24 karat gold and is studded with a huge pink diamond on the back. The phone also comes with a platinum coating and back protection. It is prized possession of Nita Ambani, wife of Indian businessman Mukesh Ambani, the richest man of Asia. Number 2. iPhone 5 Black Diamond. One of the coolest phones in the globe, iPhone 5 Black Diamond has black diamond on its beauty, which definitely increases its value. Black diamonds are very scarce in the world, due to which it has high rates. The phone has an elegant look with shiny black diamonds that will mesmerize anyone in its beauty. Undoubtedly, this series of iPhone is very expensive in the world, made for classy and rich groups. This phone will cost you around $15.3 million, thus making it one of the coolest phones in the world. Number 3. iPhone 3G King's Button. The third most expensive mobile phone on the planet is so far controlled by a variety of iPhone. Named King's Button iPhone 3G, the famous precious stone setter from Austria, Peter Ellison is the maker of this phone. 138 gems are presented on this phone, makes it worth $2.4 million. The delightful white jewel of 6.6 carat fills in as the home screen, get which enhance the eminence of this phone. Number 4. Goldfish Lee Million. Goldfish Lee Million is made by famous originator named as Emmanuel Get, who arranged pack of access watches and decoration. The richest and expensive mobile phone, Lee Million Piece Unique, had moved to Switzerland. This phone, considered by Guinness World Record as the world's most expensive PAD, sold at Millennium Fair in Cannes, France in September 2006, consistently initiated as the world's most expensive phone at $1.3 million. This originated phone is bejeweled with 800K white gold and 20 carat of VVS1 gems. Number 5. Valuable Stone Smartphone Crypto. From the perspective of Windows CE, this propelled cell phone was formed by luxury embellishments maker Peter Ellison. This novel inquiry craftsmanship is esteemed at a new $1.3 million and is named as the costliest phone on the planet. This one came embellished with 50 valuable stones, 10 of which are extraordinary blue stones. Beside this, it furthermore features a couple of regions made in rose gold too. It also gives security against getting the mechanical luxury blackmail. Number 6. Luxury Las Vegas Jackpot. This wireless begins from a standard purveyor of an indulgence handset. Griso is called Luxury Las Vegas Jackpot. This phone was developed in Switzerland in 2005. It is made of solid gold weighing 180 grams. The blackboard is included African backcountry that is more than 200-year-old. The wood that is used in the mobile phone, it is most expensive in the planet. Its keys are made of sapphire valuable stone. Additionally, it cost a cool $1 million.